Hi guys, Martin the vlogger here. Today a very fast video. Last time I did record a video about RT 2020 Plus and all of the options for the customer accessory circuit, so where you can plug your phone, GPS or whatever item on the bike that requires a juice from your bike. This time we have here F3S special series, but this video will work on all F3 models, also previous versions, and all F3T, F3 limited models. The only thing is their BRP with the newer models, they're a little bit more tight ass. So there are fewer options, but on this bike, all of them are there. And I will show it to you where you can plug your phone, your sat nav, whatever, on Can-Am Spyder F3 models. Now enough of this bullshit. Let's get started. Alright, as it is always, you know, you can open the frunk. I know this is a little bit stupid, but I need to tell you. You can do a connection on your battery, just all the time. Be super careful not to plug things that can drain your battery. That's the alpha and omega. There are also, for those that don't know, for example, Quadlock, but I'm pretty sure there are more providers like that. They have smart adapters that you can connect to your battery, and they will send the juice only when the engine is on. I'm running that always on my bike. So when the bike is on, when the engine is on, there is a smart adapter, usually with a USB connector, so that sends the juice only at that moment. You have a battery, very easy accessible, and you can run the cables all the way there. All right, good. Now, one thing that is most probably less common on the newer bikes, it's this one. Here in the front, of course, you need to remove the inside of the front where you put your stuff. You need to really remove it by 4 pins. You here, and here you have customer accessory circuit. So these are the cables are here. All right. Now, I think, and we will be using it actually, as you can see, we will have a light there, rocket bright light. We are just installing and we will use those. I think on the newer F3s, that customer accessory circuit is not there anymore. Correct me if I'm wrong, so write comments, those that they own 2024 models, 2025 models, if you still have a customer accessory circuit. Now, next option, very good option. It's on the left-hand side, so left-hand side of the bike. On the other side, you have a foot brake. So under the service panel, you don't need to strip the bike like this. Only open the service panel, and there you will have another customer accessory circuit. All right? So that's your option number 2. Yes, you have cables here and here. One is for fog lights, one is for heated grips. There are cables there. You can cut them and use that thing as well. Of course, it's possible. And the last option, it's under the passenger seat. Again, you don't have to strip the bike like that. Only take the passenger seat out, and there is a customer accessory circuit in a cover like this, so you can use it. If we will go to the F3 limited bikes, the only difference that you have all the time, it's in the, I believe, here in the top case. Of course, you have sometimes on the bottom, it's right over there. Used to be there, but now on the newer versions, they put it on the top. You have pretty strong charger, basically. Of course, most probably you will not cut anything, but we use it very often, actually. Quite a good tip. I'll get there last, like top tip for those that they need medicaments to be still under some temperature. Of course, F3 Limited has the glove box, and in the glove box you have, I don't like to call it really a power cable, because more it's a data cable, but I mean, it sends some juice, but nothing special. Super cool top tip, maybe for some. On the tour and rental agency, you know that I'm running tour and rental agency, tourson3.com, the coolest tour and rental agency in the world. If you'd like to come ride Europe on 3 wheels, tourson3.com. We have guessed that they do require medicaments that they need to stay in certain temperature. This is super cool thing. We bought it from somewhere, like shop that supports electric equipment. This is actually for, am I correct, for insulin? Is the English word? I guess so. So you can set up the temperature. It has its own battery that can last for about 5 hours. Oh, stop. And but you can always charge it as well. And we are taking the juice from the top case. So when the bike gets on, it's powered. When the bike gets off, it has a spare battery, so it can last. Maybe a good tip for somebody. Guys, this is it from today's video. Super fast. You know how to connect your bike. In case you have any questions, write them into comments. And in case you like my videos, subscribe, like, and have the notifications on, that little tiny bell, because every time we make a video, you will be notified. And plug whatever you want on your bike. Just remember, always have fun.